Welcome back to CarWow 787, the channel where you get the latest car news, the hottest new model reveals, and deep dive reviews of upcoming cars from every category. If you love cars, technology, performance, and future designs, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another update. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated sedans of the year, the Toyota Camry 2026. Toyota has completely transformed this iconic model, and what they've done for 2026 might be the biggest upgrade in Camry history. Let's dive into every detail. The Toyota Camry has always been known as the sedan you buy when you want reliability, comfort, great fuel economy, and a car that simply works for years. But in 2026, Toyota seems ready to shake up that reputation by adding something people have always wanted more of: style, excitement, new technology, and an upscale feel that pushes the Camry far closer to premium territory. The first thing Toyota has focused on is the exterior design. The 2026 Camry introduces a sleeker, more aerodynamic body that looks both sporty and luxurious at the same time. The new front fascia features sharper LED headlights, a more aggressive grille, and bold air intakes that give the sedan an athletic stance. Toyota clearly borrowed styling inspiration from its newer line of EVs and sport models, but the Camry still maintains its unique identity. From the side, the roofline is slightly lower, giving the car a fastback-like shape without sacrificing rear headroom. Sculpted character lines flow from the front to the rear, making the Camry look more dynamic even when it's not moving. And the rear end might be the biggest upgrade visually. Slim LED tail lights stretch across the back, giving it a futuristic look, while a redesigned bumper enhances the sporty appeal. The new wheel options range from elegant multi-spoke designs to bold black finish sport wheels that really complete the updated look. Toyota didn't just update the outside. The interior of the 2026 Camry marks a dramatic leap forward, with better materials, more advanced technology, and a more premium-feeling cabin. Opening the door, you immediately notice Toyota's new dashboard layout that focuses on minimalism and functionality. The centerpiece is a large floating touchscreen that finally brings the Camry in line with other modern sedans. Depending on the trim, Toyota offers displays up to 14 inches, making this the largest infotainment screen ever offered in the Camry. The system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, faster processing, improved voice commands, and upgraded navigation with real-time traffic awareness. The digital gauge cluster also gets an update, now offering customizable layouts that show hybrid usage, fuel consumption, safety alerts, and advanced driving assistance information. Toyota has clearly worked on giving the driver more control and more data in a clean, uncluttered way. Comfort is another major highlight. The 2026 Camry uses new seat materials that improve long-distance comfort while offering better side support. High trims come with ventilated and heated seats, stitched leather, ambient lighting, and real aluminum or wood accents, depending on the theme you choose. Even the base trim feels more premium than ever before. Toyota has done a great job creating a cabin that competes with much more expensive sedans on comfort alone. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. For 2026, Toyota is doubling down on hybrid power. The Camry continues to offer its well-known hybrid engine, but this version is more efficient, more responsive, and slightly more powerful. The new hybrid setup delivers smoother acceleration, quicker throttle response, and better fuel economy thanks to Toyota's next-generation hybrid technology. Reports indicate that the new hybrid system could deliver around 225 to 240 horsepower depending on the trim, making the Camry more exciting to drive without sacrificing efficiency. Toyota is also focusing heavily on reducing emissions, making this model one of the cleanest sedans in its class. For those who still prefer traditional engines, Toyota is expected to continue offering a fuel-efficient four-cylinder petrol option, but the hybrid is clearly the star of the new lineup. There is talk about Toyota considering an all-wheel drive hybrid setup as well, which would make the Camry even more appealing to drivers in colder climates or those who want better traction and stability. And while Toyota is being quiet about the possibility of a performance variant, rumors suggest that a sport-tuned hybrid with extra horsepower could arrive later, similar to what Toyota has done with other models. On the road, the 2026 Camry promises a much smoother and quieter ride thanks to improvements in suspension design, sound insulation, and better aerodynamics. Toyota engineers have refined the ride quality to balance comfort and control, giving the driver a more connected and confident feel. Steering precision has been improved, body roll has been reduced, and the overall driving dynamics feel significantly stronger than previous generations. The Camry has always been a solid daily driver, but the 2026 version appears to push it toward a more engaging driving experience without losing its legendary comfort. Safety is another area where Toyota continues to lead. The 2026 Camry will come standard with the latest Toyota SafetySense package, offering advanced features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic braking with pedestrian detection, traffic sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, and a more intelligent collision avoidance system. Toyota has also improved its camera and sensor technology, providing more accurate detection in low visibility and busy traffic environments. The new 360-degree camera system is clearer, smoother, and offers multiple angles for easier parking and maneuvering. Cargo space remains generous, and Toyota has worked on making the trunk even more practical with a larger opening, better lighting, and improved folding rear seats for extra flexibility. Families, commuters, and long-distance travelers will appreciate how easy it is to load and unload items thanks to the updated design. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Camry is shaping up to be one of the biggest updates the sedan has ever received. Toyota has taken everything people loved about previous Camry models, reliability, smooth driving, fuel efficiency, and practicality, and added modern technology, a premium interior, a stylish exterior, and next-generation hybrid performance. This combination makes the new Camry one of the strongest competitors in the midsize sedan segment for 2026. With growing demand for hybrids, stylish sedans, and high-tech features, the Camry is arriving at the perfect time. And that wraps up today's deep dive on the Toyota Camry 2026. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more upcoming car reviews, concept features, and official model reveals, make sure you subscribe to CarWow 787 and hit the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Your support helps us continue bringing you fresh automotive content every week. Drop a comment below and let us know what car you want reviewed next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video on CarWow 787.